Zorin OS 18 is the latest major release of this Ubuntu-based Linux distribution, which is specifically designed to be familiar and user-friendly for people migrating from Windows or Mac OS, especially timely for those moving away from Windows 10's end of life. The new version is built on top of the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS base and Linux kernel 6.14, ensuring long-term support until April 2029, alongside significant performance improvements and enhanced hardware compatibility. It features a refreshed default aesthetic, including a floating, rounded desktop panel, lighter accent colors, and refined animations, while also introducing powerful new productivity features like advanced, snap-assisted window tiling and a built-in web apps tool to turn any website into a standalone desktop application. The primary differences between Zorin OS 18 and its predecessor, Zorin OS 17, center around its updated foundation and the introduction of key workflow features and visual changes. Zorin OS 18 moves to the newer Ubuntu 24.04 LTS base, viz. Zorin 17's Ubuntu 22.04, and a more recent Linux kernel 6.14, which brings major improvements in speed, security, and hardware support, particularly for newer devices. User-facing changes include the introduction of smart window tiling, a significant multitasking upgrade over OS 17's basic snapping, the new Web Apps Manager, a visual redesign featuring a floating desktop panel, and native integration for Microsoft OneDrive into the online accounts feature.